Hey everyone, it's Zach here again with Wrecker Central, giving you guys another shop update. It is a beautiful Tuesday here in Lisbon, Ohio, at the Wrecker Central Fab Shop. So let's go take a walk inside here, see what they got going on over there. All right, come with me. All right, Tom, so what are we doing over here?
Well, right now, Zach, I am test fitting our swing arm and our flopper arm for our big jig. Make sure everything fits properly.
Okay. You want to make sure the strings are lined up and it's open and closed real easy, like?
Yeah, I want to make sure before we it's working real good before we actually put it on our head.
Right, okay. Yeah, we don't want to fix it after it's messed up. Make sure it's good now, and then we'll move on to the next step.
Yes, sir.
All right, Rob, what are you doing?
Getting ready to put together a big chief. I'm putting the bushings on it right now so that we can start getting our big plates put on for our arms and then get our head plates put on and start finishing it out.
Okay. Yeah, Tom was doing the test fit of the flipper arms and the other thing. So, yeah, you should be good.
Yep. The flipper arms are nice and tight, I take it then?
I thought.
Sweet. Oh, let's put this thing together then.
Dope. All right, man.